The final battle between Godzilla and Vegeta was epic. Vegeta is one of the biggest kaiju to ever appear in a Godzilla franchise. Vegeta was also tough and powerful, taking attacks as if Vegeta doesn't feel anything. I wonder, does this make Vegeta more powerful than Kaiser Ghidorah? I can't imagine Kaiser Ghidorah taking on that many kaijus all at once. And Vegeta took on all of them. Add the fact Godzilla's red atomic spiral rays wasn't even damaging Vegeta. It was Godzilla's red atomic nuclear pulse inside Vegeta's mouth that finally ended the battle. Chris Mowry really knows how to write epic stories. Matt Frank and Jeff Zornow are really good at artwork duties. Lots of surprises in Godzilla Rulers of Earth Volume 6. I give this a 5 out of 5.